This is a brand new 2013 Ford Fusion. It has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the driver assistance package, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a 12-speaker audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, an intercooled turbocharger, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, cruise control, steering wheel mounted gear shifting, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, dual power seats, air conditioning with vents for rear seat passengers, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.